Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best whey proteins available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 5 we have Body Fortress Whey Protein. This super advanced whey protein features 100% premium whey enhanced with creatine and other critical amino acids. Its no-nonsense formula gives you the power to train harder and rebuild lean muscle faster. This Body Fortress super advanced whey protein is the ideal post-workout protein supplement. That's featuring 100% premium whey enhanced with creatine and other critical amino acids. This super advanced whey protein can be taken immediately following exercise or as needed throughout the day in order to meet your daily protein requirements. At number 4 we have Muscle Milk Whey Protein. This Muscle Milk 100% whey protein powder supplies your body with high-quality protein for rapid essential amino acid delivery that can aid recovery and support muscle growth following a workout. This Muscle Milk Whey Protein powder contains 25 grams high-quality 100% whey-sourced protein and 5.5 grams naturally occurring BCAAs from bound whey protein. This Muscle Milk 100% whey is a rapid-release protein that can deliver a quick source of amino acids. At number 3 we have Optimum Nutrition Gold Whey Protein. Optimum Nutrition's Gold Standard 100% whey uses pure whey protein isolates as the primary ingredient. It is combined with ultra-filtered whey protein concentrate. Each serving provides 24 grams of all whey protein and 5.5 grams of naturally occurring branch-chain amino acids, which are prized by athletes for their muscle-building qualities. At number 2 we have Levels Nutrition Whey Protein. It has each scoop of Levels pure chocolate whey contains 24 grams protein, 5.4 grams BCAAs and no added sugars. It is trusted by athletes, fitness enthusiasts and daily grinders everywhere. Levels whey is naturally delicious. That means no hormones, no GMOs, no added sugars. No soy, no gluten, no bleach, no fillers and no artificial flavors or sweeteners. At number 1 we have Muscle Pharm Whey Protein. This Muscle Pharm's Combat 100% Whey is a muscle-building protein powder comprised of high-quality ingredients that help build muscle mass and assist in recovery. This whey protein 10 pounds chocolate milk mix is easy to mix with milk, almond milk, water, fruit and vegetables. It tastes great whether simply mixed into a beverage or blended in a smoothie or shake. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best whey proteins for your need.